Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. With it being the holidays and super busy and getting a little bit colder, I wanted to show you how I make overnight Crockpot chili. It's super simple to make. You throw all of the ingredients in the Crockpot right before you go to bed, set it on low, and it's ready by lunchtime the next day. And it's really great when you're busy holiday shopping or wrapping gifts, or you've got lots of family or friends in from out of town and you don't really have time to sit there and make a big pot of chili for everybody, but you still want to feed everyone. It's really tasty, really hearty, delicious, and really simple to make. So if you like this video and you give this recipe a try, give my video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. I really appreciate it. And if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, which is pretty frequently, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I hope you like it. Thanks.
For this recipe, we're going to need ground meat, mushrooms, onions, minced garlic, diced tomatoes and chilies, tomato sauce, beef broth, chili powder, cumin, paprika, cocoa powder, sugar, ground coriander, salt and pepper, and half a cup of each dry pinto beans, red beans, and white beans. With your crock pot on the high setting, add your garlic and onions to the bottom of the crock pot and let them heat up. Now add your broth and tomato sauce and mix well. Now add all of your dry spices. And mix until incorporated. Once all of your dry powdered ingredients are mixed in, add your mushrooms and your ground meat. Mix until incorporated. Now add your dried beans into the mix. Cover, turn your crock pot down to low, and let simmer overnight. In the morning, stir. And add beef broth if needed. Serve with shredded cheese, diced jalapenos, and a side of cornbread. I hope you enjoy.